I think that we need to differentiate between a formal public debate and just having, say, a debate with your non-Christian friend. My experience has primarily been in these formal public debates. And I think that the way you win a public debate is by being ultra prepared in advance. You have your arguments clearly and persuasively stated and supported by evidence, and then you have answers to the objections that you anticipate your opponent will raise. And typically one will have 1 or 2 points in response to each of his anticipated objections. And then finally, you will have objections of your own to his position, whether that's atheism, agnosticism, or whatever. And so by being prepared, I think you can carry the day by showing that your case is better than the case presented by the negative speaker in the debate.